Welcome to the top best. The best waterbed pump is probably one of the most overlooked accessories for waterbed owners, but it's absolutely essential for maintaining your bed's comfort and longevity. Whether you're a seasoned waterbed enthusiast or new to the world of aquatic sleep, choosing the right pump can make a world of difference. So, let's dive in and explore what makes a great waterbed pump and how to find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Water Transfer Pump 115V 330 GPH with Hose Kit. This electric utility water pump can transfer water up to 330 gallons per hour. It can lift water up to 39 feet and remove water down to 1/8 inch with the suction attachment. It's great for various applications. The motor housing is made of heavy-duty metal, providing strong power for heavy use. The high-quality copper motor ensures a long service life, making it safer and more stable to use. The pump features a carry handle for easy portability and storage. Before first use, fill the pump head with water to wet the impeller. Then, connect the hoses and suction attachment, plug it in, and you're ready. The package includes the utility water pump, a 6-foot inlet hose, a water suction attachment, and an impeller replacement kit. Remember, this is a non-submersible pump and is only for clean water. Every pump undergoes a 100% factory test. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are committed to providing a satisfactory answer and support for the product. What we like. This pump boasts a powerful motor, capable of moving a lot of water quickly. Its sturdy metal construction ensures it can handle heavy use, making it a reliable choice for various tasks. If you have a large water bed or frequently need to drain areas, this pump's power and durability make it a great choice. What people say. This pump is well built and the function of the pump did a great job. It has enough pressure and power to suck the water out. I transferred 275 gallons in about 15 minutes through a 50-foot garden hose with no issues. The built-in handle is a nice feature. Also, the in and out connections are clearly labeled, embossed on the housing, but are on the back side of the pump, not the front. Number 4. 110 HP 330 GPH Electric Utility Water Transfer Pump. This utility pump, with its 110 HP motor, can move up to 330 gallons of water per hour. It makes quick work of draining tasks, saving you valuable time. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel and carbon steel, this pump is made to last. The metal hose connectors provide added reliability, ensuring it can handle tough jobs. The non-slip handle makes it easy to move and position where you need it. It's also simple to store and transport, and the discharge thread fits a standard garden hose. The package includes a 6-foot suction hose and a strainer to remove water down to 1/8 inch. You'll also receive a replacement parts kit, extending the pump's lifespan. This pump is perfect for various uses, from draining flooded basements to emptying aquariums or watering your garden. It's a versatile solution for many water transfer needs. Each pump is thoroughly tested to ensure a long-lasting performance. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll resolve them within 24 hours. What we like. This pump is designed to be both portable and lightweight, making it easy to move and store. The stainless steel construction adds to its durability. If you are looking for a pump that can handle multiple tasks around the house, from draining a flooded basement to watering your garden, this versatile pump is a great option. What people say. The pump worked great and was easy to use. It worked perfectly and was exactly what I needed. The pump is very powerful and works great. Number 3. VIVOSUN 110 HP 330 GPH Portable Utility Pump. This compact pump is lightweight but powerful. It can pump up to 330 gallons per hour and reach a height of 39 feet. It operates on a standard 115-volt power supply. Using this pump is simple. Just fill the pump head with water, connect the hose, and plug it in. It's perfect for draining or watering your garden. This pump is built to last with a robust zinc alloy pump head. It's resistant to wear and corrosion, ensuring years of reliable performance. It also includes a premium PVC hose for added durability. This utility pump is the solution wherever water needs to be transferred. It's ideal for aquariums, ponds, pools, gardens, basements, and flooded areas. To ensure long-term use, the pump comes with a 6-foot suction hose, filter, impeller, carbon brushes, and a gasket. For best results, always store it in a safe, dry place. What we like. This pump features a lightweight aluminum construction, making it easy to carry and set up. It also comes with a variety of replacement parts, ensuring that it will last for years. If you like a pump that's easy to handle and maintain, this one is a perfect fit. What people say. Put it by a big stream and it had a 12-foot vertical push-up to a pool. Approximately 3,000 gallons in 6 hours. A 14-foot Intex above-ground pool. We are thrilled. It's powerful and can move a lot of water in a short amount of time. I was able to empty my basement without any issues, which is great. It's also pretty easy to use, just plug it in, turn it on, and let it do its thing. I can do it in half the time and not need to move the pump. It's fast, powerful, and not that loud. Number 2. Acquaer 115V Portable Electric Water Transfer Pump. This Acquaer pump can transfer up to 264 gallons per hour. It can lift water up to 46 feet. Its stable performance ensures a long service life. The pump is made with durable metal and features an ergonomic handle. It's designed for easy carrying and storage. The automatic thermal overload protection ensures your safety. This utility pump works great for aquariums, rain barrels, and draining flooded areas. It's also suitable for irrigation, garden watering, and car washing. This non-submersible pump is easy to use. Simply connect the hose and attachments, then plug it in. Remember to fill the pump head with water before the first use. The pump comes with a suction hose, water suction attachment, and impeller replacement kits. It can remove water down to a 1/8-inch level. It also includes a 1-year warranty, and the service team is available to help. What we like. This pump offers a high lift capacity, allowing it to move water over longer distances. The metal volute ensures durability, and a simple setup makes it easy to use. If you have a need to move water a significant distance, or if you value ease of use, this pump is an excellent choice. What people say. Works great pumping water for garden from rain barrels. Quick. Portable. Number 1. PROSTORMER 110 HP Utility Pump Water Transfer Pump. This is the PROSTORMER 110 HP Utility Pump. It's perfect for various water transfer needs. Before using it, please read the manual carefully to ensure safe operation. Remember, this pump is non-submersible. Always keep the motor dry and avoid washing or immersing it in water. With 0.1 HP power, it can pump up to 330 gallons per hour, with a maximum lift of 39 feet. It's efficient and gets the job done quickly. The high-quality motor ensures a longer service life, making it safer and more stable to use. You can rely on it for consistent performance. Its compact size and handle make it easy to carry and use in tight spaces. It's designed for your convenience. It's suitable for draining pools, ponds, gardens, flooded cellars, aquariums, and irrigation. This pump is a versatile tool for various tasks. The package includes the PROSTORMER utility pump, a 71-foot water hose, a water suction attachment, an impeller, a gasket, and 2 replacement brushes. Everything you need is in the box. What we like. This pump is small and has a handle, which is very easy to carry, so can be used in a small space. The high-quality motor can make the service life of the water transfer pump longer, and it is safer and more stable to use. If you are looking for a pump that is easy to carry and use in a small space, you should consider this one. What people say. I hooked up the little water pump and clipped it to a battery and it pumps fast. It has good flow and good pressure for our purpose. Great little pump, good flow rate and pressure. I'm using it for moving storm water from a collection cistern to bar ditch about 100 feet away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.